I am so excited. The PR. Oh my, the PR. I have to show you. Like, this is not something that comes around every single day. So when it does, I'm like, me? Little old me that received this PR? Yes, you can see it correctly. Mugler Angel Elixir. The box that it comes in is... No, come on. Like, it says Mugler on the front. You know what it looks like? It looks like the Tesseract from Avengers, and I'm living for it. I am Loki, and I have obtained the Tesseract. Okay, so it says Mugler on the front, and you literally just like lift up the lid, and the perfume is inside. So it literally says Angel Elixir on the side, and here is the perfume. Okay, let me just take it out. I'm gonna spray a little bit. Absolute dream perfume. Like, I am so lucky to receive this in PR. I gasp every time I realize I'm on Mugler's. Also, if it wasn't obvious, the makeup is inspired by Mugler Angel Elixir. So it says that the Angel Elixir is embodied by Hunter Schafer. If you haven't seen like her promo vid, you need to go watch it because that shit was fire. It was iconic. So the scent is a woody floral gourmand, which I absolutely love. I actually have a gourmand perfume already. So as soon as I read this, I was like, I already know it's gonna be. The retail price is £65 for 30 mils. It's available at the perfume shop, Boots, and Superdrug. I'm also gonna like try and link it here. If it is available on TikTok shop, I will link it. If it's not, I'm sorry guys. And apparently the box lights up, so we're gonna try and light up the box because that's what it says on the leaflet. So okay, so it says to remove this, except for the fact that it's not coming off. Okay. Oh, you slide it out. Okay, here we go. It's got like a little light. Wait, let me put the perfume back. No, stop it. No, that's some genius shit. How cool is that? It lights up. Oh my god. Okay, let me not waste the battery. Yeah, thank you for coming to watch this unboxing, and thank you Mugler for this PR. I can't thank you guys enough.